This car needs a $21,000 oil change, and it's not a joke. The Bugatti Veyron isn't like normal cars. Changing its oil is basically a mini surgery. First, mechanics remove multiple body panels just to access the engine. Then they drain 16 different drain plugs. Yes, 16. It uses about 10 liters of high-performance oil, specially made for extreme speeds. And here's the crazy part. The labor takes hours, done by expert technicians. Plus, Bugatti recommends replacing parts during the process. That's why the cost shoots up to around $21,000. And if you think that's insane, wait till you hear how much the tires cost.